Hello and Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to another amazing video of a channel 7 days of e-learning. I thank all our new subscribers for subscribing to our channel and thank you for your support. There has been a significant impact on the watch time, the views and also the subscribers. I thank all our viewers for that. So today's session is English and today's topic is verbs. Today we are going to learn what are verbs and their types. Before we start, I would like to ask all our new viewers who haven't subscribed yet to please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon. Please also leave a like and a comment. It would be great support for us. Moreover, I thank all our subscribers. Please also do watch this video till the end. What are verbs? Before starting on tenses, we must know what actually verbs are because tenses are the time at which the verb is used. So, first we should know what verbs are. After you have heard the word tenses, you may have 1,000 questions beep out into your head. So let's start. Verbs are the second and the most important parts of speech. Most sentences use the verb as one of the basic elements, one of the basic three elements which are subject, verb and object. Even a one-word sentence can be formed by a verb. For example, stop. There is only one word and that is a verb. So verb has great significance in the parts of speech. If you don't know what parts of speech are, then let me tell you. Parts of speech are the building blocks of English grammar. There are 8 parts of speech. They structure the English language and the grammar. What is the function of verbs? Verbs are used to show the action done in a sentence or to link a noun or a pronoun with the rest of the sentence or show the state of being. Some examples. The first for action is Ali placed the book carefully. Now here, placed is the verb because it shows some work being done. Ali is putting something down and that is some work. So that comes in the verb. Now linking, that is a monster. Monster is a noun and it links the verb is links the word monster with that, which is a determinant. So, linking verbs help to link a noun or pronoun with the rest of the sentence, and action verbs show the work being done in a sentence. Now, as we have learned what are verbs, so now we should move on to the types of verbs. So, let's begin. There are 2 main types of verbs actually in basic level, because when we go in higher level there come actually 4 to 5 types of verbs. So the 2 main types of verbs are action verbs and helping verbs. Helping verbs are also called auxiliary verbs. What are the functions of these 2? Action verbs show the action or the work done in a sentence. Like before we saw the word placed here. This is considered an action verb because this shows the action being done in a sentence. Next, helping verbs, which are also called auxiliary verbs. Helping verbs support the action verb in a sentence by extending its meaning. It can show the tense, which means the time at which the work is being done, or a relationship between the person and the action. It actually makes the sentence readable. Helping verbs. Here there are some examples of helping verbs. Am, is, are, was, were, being, and etc. etc. And these are some action verbs which show some action. For example, sit. In this, the boy is sitting, which means he is doing some action, and so it is an action verb. Here, the boy is carrying, so that also becomes an action verb. That was all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for new videos. Bye for now, and stay home and stay safe. Now, here are some links to our videos and a subscription for our channel. Please subscribe and also watch our other videos. Thank you for watching, and bye. Here are some questions to help you determine your skills in the lesson which you have learned today. So please try out these questions, and you can also submit your answers in the comments. It will be great help, and we will also show your answers in our next video. Thank you.